6 Tips for Healthy Living. All of us are urged to lead healthy lives, but what exactly does it entail and how do we get there? It takes more than just healthy food and exercise to be healthy. Here, we'll share with you 7 wonderful techniques to become and remain healthy in 2022. Clean foods fill your body with plentiful vitamins and minerals, high-quality protein and healthy fats, which improve heart and brain health, assist with weight management, build a stronger immune system and increase energy levels, among other benefits. Exercise regularly and be physically active. Get enough good sleep. There is a very strong connection between sleep quality and quantity and your immune system. Think positive. Optimistic thinking contributes to greater health and longevity. Give more. Generate more love in the world. When we express our appreciation for others, it actually benefits us as well.